Assalamu alaikum all everyone. Today I talked Royal Air Maroc or Royal Air Morocco. Same online check-in system. How to check Royal Air Maroc or Royal Air Morocco. So this is my YouTube channel. This channel only airlines video uploaded. So subscribe my channel and watch another video. So this video at first Google Chrome browser open here, then typing here Royal Air Morocco web checking. Then the first one, two, three, four, many Royal Air Maroc link showing here. So online check-in Royal in Maroc, first link, click here. This is Royal Air Maroc website link. So many link many options showing booking, destination, experience, information, many options showing. So online checking, the homepage showing. So this is the checking option. This is the checking option. This is the checking option. At first, two type of boarding pass searching option: booking number or e-ticket number. Booking number means booking number means PNR number, PNR number, PNR number or reservation number. Uh, So booking number typing here, and last name typing here. Then go click here. Then you fill up your information. Then seat select. Then finally your boarding pass showing. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.